Unmatched field service from Bush, Part 5. Stethoscope, sound check. We can use our specialized stethoscope to listen closely to potential problem areas inside the vacuum pump. This lets us identify issues with no disassembly necessary. Using the stethoscope, we can detect any defects in valves, needle bearings in the stage, or ball bearings in the motor. For unparalleled machine maintenance, trust our expertise and unique service. Find out more unique features of Bush Field Service in the description.